Hi there, thank you for considering BOGOS, the most powerful Shopify promotion app featuring free gifts, discounts, and bundles. I'm Cassie, and I'm going to walk you through the settings of the BOGOS app, showing you some cool features that might not catch your eye at first but are incredibly useful. Before we dive into this guide, let's quickly go over some terms you'll hear throughout this video. Offer or gift offer. This is a sales campaign you create using the app to give gifts or discounts to your customers. Gift item or gift product. This is the treat you give your customers when they meet the conditions of your offer. It might be a free product or a product at a discount, but either way, we'll call it a gift. Clone product. This is the product that BOGOS app creates in your Shopify admin. I'll explain more about how this works when we talk about gift logic mechanisms. To make it easier for you to follow, I have also divided the settings guide into 3 different videos. Let's start. First, let's look at the general section. Here you have some basic but essential controls. This button lets you enable or disable the BOGOS app. And for the time zone, the app syncs with your device's time zone, and then all the offer's time will run based on it. Change the app interface's language here to your preferred one. Remember to click Save. And if you do so, the app interface language will be changed immediately, like how I just did. Next, BOGOS gives you 2 ways to handle gift logic mechanism. First, we have the clone product. This mechanism is the default setting and works well for most users. Here's how it works in your store. When you create a gift offer, BOGOS creates a duplicate of your original product and sets the discount price for it. By searching for BOGOS gift in your admin, you will see them immediately. These clone products will then be added to the customer's cart. And on your online store, the clones are hidden from search in all the pages, so customers cannot add it to the cart separately. The clone product mechanism is ideal for most cases because it allows you to deeply customize the discounts and display options of the gift item. It is the most stable if you choose a large number of product variants in the offer. And it works well with apps and sales channels integrated with BOGOS like headless, POS, and mobile apps. Second of all, let's look at the gift function mechanism. With this, gift products are discounted using Shopify. So the gift function mechanism is more suitable for businesses that do not allow duplicated SKUs in the system. It can be your inventory management, 3PL, and so on. Or businesses that are not convenient with cloned product. Most importantly, if you want to switch, you need to fulfill all orders with clone products first, as the app will deactivate the offers. We recommend contacting our support agents via live chat, because changing the logic might impact your current promotions, so we can help you review and have an effortless switch. You might be wondering how the 2 functions affect your app experience. No need to worry, the main features stay the same. But with the gift function, which uses Shopify's discount system, certain settings related to cloned products will no longer be available. I'll point out which features are and aren't available with the gift function as we go through each one. Now, we will look into the gift condition section, which will manage the condition for all gift products in all offers. This is available with gift function mechanism. First, automatically add gift to cart. Just like its name, this option helps you automatically add the gift to the customer's cart. In most cases, I will recommend you let it enabled so the auto add can work across all your offers. If you untick it, the offers to customers will display in a slider like this. Next, you can have the gift discount calculated by their current price or the compare it price. If you choose the current price option, the gift will be discounted based on the current selling price. For example, a t-shirt that has a $60 original price and the current price is $50, a 50% discount would make it $25. On the other hand, if you choose compare it price option, the gift will be discounted from $60. So, in this case, the 50% off will bring the gift to $30. By default, the app will set the discount based on current price. Next, we have gift price must be less than or equal to products. This option ensures customers can only select gift items priced lower than any product in their cart. You can compare prices using the current price or compare it price. For example, if a customer has a $50 t-shirt in their cart, gifts over $50 won't be available. In case you want customers to get the gift for once, enable limit one selection per gift on gift slider. The option restricts customers from picking a gift item a second time from the gift slider, even if they meet the conditions of other offers with the same gift. For example, if customers can choose 2 pairs of socks from 3 gift options, and they select the red pair first, they must choose a different pair for the second gift. No 2 red pairs allowed. Finally, you can enable Exclude product in cart to prevent customers from receiving the same product they've already purchased as a gift. If a customer has already added the beige socks to cart, they won't be able to select beige socks as a gift. And that's a wrap for the first part of the settings guide. Thank you so much for watching and exploring the features of BOGOS with me. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help.